All right, guys, we are doing an unboxing and review of the Graceliving Premium Multifunction Magnetic Manual Can and Bottle Opener. I'm excited to check this one out because it's an incredible value based on the number I'm seeing on the product page. And just for context, this Graceliving can opener is currently selling over 2,000 units per month, and it has 4.8 stars with almost 500 reviews. That is very strong. As somebody who does a lot of purchasing and a lot of reviewing of Amazon products, whenever I see a product with hundreds of purchases, at least hundreds of purchases and hundreds of reviews that are 4 stars or above, I know it's a high quality product. This one goes way above that, selling over 2,000 a month and 4.8 stars with almost 500 reviews. Incredible. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and we'll actually test it out on a can here. But what I love about it is the number on the product page. I will be honest with you, I've spent a good amount of money on can openers, and they're great, but like you don't need to, dude, anymore. Okay, so first off, very grippy. It's like that kind of like that soft silicone, but very grippy, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. It feels very substantial, very smooth, where some of those, you know what I'm talking about. Some of those are kind of like clunky and dull and not very smooth. So you can see right here when we're twisting, that's how it's gonna work. And then we do have that bottle opener here if you wanna just pop the top, but we're not gonna do that because that's gonna be easy to use. So let's go ahead. Okay, so that chops down real, okay, this is very smooth. Very smooth, guys. I'm barely even turning this. So this is gonna be great if you want a great deal on a can opener that's actually very sharp and doesn't require, what I would say is it's the great value. So I didn't open it up all the way, but that was extremely, like, dude, there was no grinding. That was just super smooth, very sharp, very smooth. I would say this is gonna be great for everyone. And definitely even for like older people. Maybe you don't wanna fork over the money for an automatic can opener. That's stupid, nobody needs that. But you also wanna make sure you don't have to crank too much. This is very smooth. I actually don't even really feel like I'm doing anything. When I open that, just very simple, easy to use. I love it. Fits in your drawer, doesn't break the bank, and it does what you want it to do. So I can highly recommend this to you. I see why everyone's buying it, and I'm glad I've got it.